What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So this is in the garage, and this is in the garage because some cocksucker called code enforcement on me. I don't know if it was somebody who might have saw one of my videos or the asshole fucking next door neighbor I just got that moved in, but I've had to put both of these in the garage, so things are going to be quite a bit slower. So here I am out here in the fucking open, putting my engine together. I went through and prepped the surfaces already and cleaned off and did the best I could with cleaning off all the crud and stuff that was on the block. Most of this is just staining now. Um, so the block got new freeze plugs. Also, shit, I gotta clean this. Got new freeze plugs. Got cleaned off at the machine shop. We got the crank polished and start collecting all the stuff I need to do a rebuild on it. And there's a video on there, me pulling the engine and all that stuff. I'm trying to document it as I go. But this is the start of the rebuild. I finally have all the parts. So real quick, I'm going to change you guys over to a stand so I can talk a bit more and I'll see you guys here in a second. Alrighty. So here we are back at it. I got some high performance assembly lube. I don't know if the camera will focus in on that. Bought a couple bottles of it just in case. I already put the damn. Fuzzies. I already put the main bearing caps in. A lot of fuzzies. I already put the main bearing caps in right here. I already put them. I haven't put them in the. I put them in the block. I haven't put them in the cap. Sorry. If you're new to the channel, also, I don't give a shit about production value. I am not. Let me repeat what I'm going to say here. I am not making videos to get YouTube famous. I don't care about being YouTube famous. You're not going to see me for a second, but I'm going to walk to get the crank. Well, I'll put some lube in first. I do not care about being YouTube famous. I don't care about it at all. Like, why isn't that fitting? Because I'm sticking it in wrong. Because I'm an idiot. All right. So there's the crank in. In the final video, I'll have a parts list. For when I say I did this as budget as I can, I didn't cheap out on anything. I bought name brand stuff. Ugh, this final cap doesn't come off. So I got the ARP head stud kit. So when I go to put the heads back on, it's gonna have studs instead of bolts. But I think I might have fucked up and forgot to buy. I think I might have fucked up and forgot to buy main cap bolts. Do it, I guess, for this video. Unfortunately, um, I can't source the rod bearing, not the rod bearings, the main cap bolts. I cannot source them in town. They're torque to yield, and you're not supposed to reuse them. I found conflicting information about it. Some people say you can, some people say you can't. I'm personally not going to take that chance with my car and all the money I'm spending and the time it's taking me. I'm not going to risk it. So that's going to be it for today. You can check out a playlist that I have set up. We have a playlist for a red 94 small block Ford Mustang that my girlfriend has that we did a bunch of repairs to. My SN95, I've got stuff bunch of videos on the channel for it, from fixing the instrument cluster, putting new LED headlights in, fixing the top temporarily, then putting a top on it, fixing an engine knock that it had while the engine was still in the car, uh, and some other things. Both those playlists combined are a few hours, probably 8, both of those. Then we have some other odd and end stuff on the channel. Thanks for watching. Check out the playlist if you want to. And hopefully next week we'll have an update video where I actually can put the fucking bearing caps on this thing and finish it up, or at least get it halfway together. I'm trying to get the Snobra. That's what I call mine. It's a white SN95 Cobra. Trying to get the Snowbird back on the road before it gets snowing. I'd like to, like, the weather today is fantastic for a, the weather today is fantastic for a convertible. And my Shelby GT500, which I also have a couple videos of on the channel, we'll be doing more content on that car. It's not a convertible. I specifically chose it not convertible because I have a Fox body convertible, I have an SN95 convertible, and I've already got 2 convertibles. I didn't want a third. So yeah. So appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.